Well, good cold afternoon to everybody. Um, just trying to relax here and have a little chai tea. Um, I've been thinking about this bed. It isn't that very comfortable, and I had a couple ideas with it. So I thought I'd kind of share it with you a little bit here. Got nothing else going on. Maybe you guys are bored too. I don't know. This lockdown's all kind of getting to me. But this bed, I ended up originally buying this trifold 6-inch mattress. Anybody who's been following me knows all about this thing. But I was thinking it needs to be a little more comfortable. My original intent here was to be able to fold this up so I could run a couple straps around it and just kind of put it in there like that, and this will fold up inside. That would leave me room. You could strap down suitcases here or plastic boxes with lids. If you just strap across the top of them, hold them into position, you have all this extra storage area. And or you could just strap them right on top of the bed if they were there. But this thing only being 6 inches deep, and this thing being almost 6 inches deep, I think it's 5.5 inches deep or 5.25. It doesn't leave much edge, and when you sit on it, you feel this edge a lot. I didn't want to cut it down lower because of the structural integrity of this thing. So I decided maybe put like a 2-inch pad on top of it. I'll show you what I came up with. I'll put this back down here. Let's see here. Let's go this way. All right. So I had bought a full-size pad to put on top of the other 6-inch mattress, which I replaced, that was on the queen bed over here. And so I had this thing left over. So what I did is I cut it down to fit this one. I cut it down to 39 inches wide. And this gives a mattress a little bit more depth. And it's also got this nice soft memory foam top on it now. So I got it this far, and I wanted to put it in some type of zippered envelope to hold it all together and protect it. Of course, I couldn't find anything like that without trying to order it and waiting for 3 weeks. So I went over to the Wally World, just got a standard old mattress cover. I didn't get one of those plastic ones, but I did get one that's soft and waterproof anyway. And I don't know if this is going to fit or what. I'm just going to give it a try here and see what we come up with. I'm trying to do this and keep the pad on here squarely. That might take some doing. Already got it wadded up here. There, that's looking a little better. Let's try this end now. think I'm losing this fight. Oh boy. All right, I'll just outsmart myself here and turn it around so I can reach this side. All right, let's see what else we can do here. Get this back on here straight. I got a little problem in this corner. There we go. All right. So I'll turn it back around where I had it, and we'll fit it down in there and see how it feels. Now it's so cold in here, my nose is running. Now, what do you think guys think? I think that looks a little more comfortable. Sure feels more comfortable. And we got this off this edge a little. Okay. Well, you just sat there and watched a grown man put a pad on his mattress. You must be as bored as I am. Okay, so I got a couple little things I was doing in here, and we can share that together too. Okay, I got the bed all made up and ready to close now, so got it all strapped back in. As you can see, there's some height above the rail now. Yeah. One of the reasons I wanted to put that pad on there is because the foam has a tendency to absorb body moisture. You know, like you get too hot on it or something, you get a little sweaty, or, you know, your body always is giving off moisture, you know. And I thought if I had that pad on there, it'll protect that. If I put the outer pad on it, it will protect the foam pad, which will protect the other mattress from getting any moisture into it, which in turn should not have any mold on it, because I've seen a lot of these beds that mold down here on the underside where they mate against the wood, and without an air pocket in it. So I'm thinking that will work pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and close this back up. It's always fun one-handed. And there we go. So I fixed another problem too. And it had to do with this snake of a shower hose I had. I bought it because I thought it was flexible because of its looks. It looks like it would be flexible, but the thing is just so stiff. It just it's like a coiled up snake. There's nothing I can do to make it any better. I've tried heating it up and everything else. I thought maybe over time it would loosen up, but it won't. So let me show you what I did. I got this one for it. Now this one is just completely limp. So so I like that. That won't get in my way. The only problem I have with this one is when I'm going down the road, I hear like this every once in a while. So I may have to, you know, take a bungee or some little strap, Velcro strap, and strap it up onto the handles or something while I'm traveling and not using it. But that is no big deal. And another thing about this, it's way longer. It's way, way longer. That won't get in your way while you're showering, you know. So, I didn't know if I ever showed you guys this or not, but I store my my laundry in here, and I have a little thing I can hang garments on inside the shower. Because you're not using it all the time, you might as well use the space for something. So, that's it in there. And I just saw the baby kitty out here, the little calico. Baby, baby, where you at, kitty? Where's the baby? Come on, baby. Where you at? Come on, kitty. Come on, baby. There she is. There's the baby. Yes, you sweet thing. She has turned into such a nice little kitty. She's turned into such a nice little cat. She was wild as heck when I got her. Now she's a house kitty. Look how fat she's getting. She's so pretty. Yeah. She ended up just being called Baby. That's what she comes to. I call her Hot Rod sometimes because she's got racing stripes. And she is fast. What a hunter. Yeah, she turned out to be a really, really nice little kitty. Go on, you go play. She doesn't like the bus like old Ruby Doo did, but she is just a really nice little cat. Okay, I'm going to shut this off now. I don't have too much else going on. Oops, tripping on stuff. I've got the bus back here just like I had it with the rack, and I did decide to use a box here. Here she goes. Hello, kitty. Yes, you're a good girl. Yes, you're a good kitty. Come here. Oh, you're such a pretty girl. Such a nice little kitty. Look at the camera. Come here. Yes, you sweet girl. Yes, little cross-eyed baby. Yeah, she's striped cat like Ruby, and she's a tuxedo cat. Black and white tuxedo. She's got white paws. And she's a little cross-eyed like a Siamese too, but she's got green eyes. But anyway, here's the thing I'm going to use. I think I might take some vinyl spray and spray this white. But I ran water on it and stuff. It's fairly waterproof. I'll keep my hoses, my extra extension cord, some blocks for my wheels. Here's some tent stakes in here, metal ones. These are hard to find. You can't find these anymore. Metal tent stakes, probably from the 70s. But when I get an awning, I'm going to go ahead and be able to stake that down so it doesn't blow away in the wind with me. And yeah, it makes for a pretty nice little waterproof container. And you can put a little cheap lock on it. That's just going to keep the honest guys out anyway. What, kitty? What's up, baby? Huh? What do you want? What do you want, baby? You want some more pets? Come here. Come, don't be afraid of that camera. That thing ain't going to hurt you now. No, that ain't going to hurt you. That little crooked tail. Yeah. Yeah. Doctor said that was natural. Yeah, baby. She didn't hurt herself. That's just a natural crick in her tail. I took her in to have her fixed so she wouldn't get any kitties, and somebody had already done that, and he assumed that she has been well taken care of. She was in fine shape when we took her in. So somebody loved her at one time, and I don't know, I almost think they dumped her here after I lost Ruby Doo. I think somebody just gave me a cat. Okay guys, there's a bus sitting in the garage. Not doing too much else right now. We're just trying to stay warm, and it's been raining for days, and today it finally got sunny, but with the sunshine came like a cold front with it. So, and I got the bus plugged in to keep the batteries charged. And for right now, this is all I have. So I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks for coming along. Bye-bye.